In the face of escalating environmental challenges, the documentary Kiss the Ground offers a compelling narrative of hope and transformation. At its core lies the urgent call to action to address soil degradation through regenerative agriculture practices. Let's delve into the premise of this powerful film and explore the potential it holds for shaping a more sustainable future. Kiss the Ground paints a vivid picture of the interconnected crises facing our planet, from climate change and desertification to food insecurity and biodiversity loss. Central to this narrative is the alarming degradation of soil health driven by conventional agricultural methods. Monocropping, intensive tillage, and chemical inputs have taken a toll on our soils, leading to erosion, loss of fertility, and diminished biodiversity. Enter regenerative agriculture, a beacon of hope in the fight against soil degradation and its cascading environmental impacts. This holistic approach to farming prioritizes soil health, biodiversity, and ecosystem resilience. By embracing practices like minimal tillage, cover cropping, crop rotation, and natural fertilization, regenerative agriculture seeks to nurture the very foundation of our food systems, the soil. A key highlight of Kiss the Ground is the emphasis on carbon sequestration as a pivotal ecosystem service provided by regenerative agriculture. By enhancing soil organic matter and carbon content, regenerative practices have the potential to draw down carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it in the soil. This not only mitigates climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions, but also improves soil structure, water retention, and overall ecosystem health. The documentary offers a glimpse into real-life examples of regenerative agriculture in action, from small-scale farmers to large-scale agroecological projects. Through their stories, we witness the transformative power of regenerative practices in restoring soil health, increasing yields, and fostering resilience in the face of environmental challenges. At its core, Kiss the Ground is a rallying cry for collective action and systemic change. It urges viewers to support regenerative agriculture initiatives, advocate for policy reforms, and reimagine our relationship with the land. By prioritizing soil conservation and regenerative practices, we can cultivate a more sustainable and resilient food system that nourishes both people and planet. In conclusion, Kiss the Ground offers a poignant reminder of the vital role that soil plays in sustaining life on Earth. Through regenerative agriculture, we have the opportunity to heal our soils, mitigate climate change, and build a brighter future for generations to come. As stewards of the land, let us heed the call to kiss the ground and embrace a more regenerative path forward. While the urgency of addressing climate change cannot be overstated, it is not too late for regenerative agriculture to play a significant role in mitigating its impacts. Regenerative agricultural practices have the potential to sequester carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it in the soil, thereby helping to offset greenhouse gas emissions. While reversing climate change entirely may be a monumental task, requiring comprehensive global efforts across various sectors, regenerative agriculture offers a promising pathway towards reducing atmospheric carbon levels and building resilience in agricultural ecosystems. By embracing regenerative practices and scaling up their adoption, we can make meaningful strides towards a more sustainable and climate-resilient future. The percentage of climate change that regenerative agriculture can reverse is not easily quantifiable with a single figure. The effectiveness of regenerative agricultural practices in mitigating climate change depends on various factors, including the scale of adoption, the specific practices implemented, and the context in which they are applied. While regenerative agriculture has been shown to sequester significant amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and improve soil health, its impact on reversing climate change will ultimately depend on how widely and effectively these practices are implemented globally. Therefore, it is challenging to provide a precise percentage of climate change that regenerative agriculture can reverse, but it is clear that it can make a meaningful contribution to mitigating its impacts.